Hey guys, just been going through the Ramornie National Park and down the Ramornie State Forest. Beautiful area. Look at this. It's been through some creeks. Road's a little bit washed out, nothing too bad. It's great to see lots of butterflies, the wildflowers are out. That's a bit of lantana, no good. Kookaburras are calling. Can't ask for much more. This road does not look like it's been used in quite some time. Whoops. It's good to clear them up a little bit though. Part of being out here in tracks that aren't getting used much, trees down. So we're going to get rid of it. This is the end of our track, literally on the other side. So we're at thigh deep and it is raging. It's a hard no from me, back the way we can. So I've chucked my fins on, got me a tube. We're going down the rapids, baby. Let's go. Oh, that's freezing. Woo! No chance. It's not a good place to be.
So just right there is
tried to add an extra 100 k's onto our journey, a little side tour on the way home. So yeah, it's just happened this afternoon with all the rain of last night. It was way too soft on the sides. We're going on that. Aren't going to be moving that. It's huge. That's the end of that chapter.